Okay, I've started the meeting recording. So the next week's challenge will be for a cash prize of 1,000 rupees. So whoever is able to complete it with all the best practices, and whoever were able to complete it with this particular use case, and the bot should be able to execute in each and every machine. So it's your responsibility to make sure that the bot runs, and you should have PDDs and SGDs and the runbook as well to this process available. And the cash price is 1,000 rupees. That's what I can afford for now. So yes, and this is the URL, and it is simple. You need to first log in here, paycheck ship, and you also need to open this particular URL. So keep both open. Once you have it, click sign in. And if you see here, there is download agent territory spreadsheet. Okay. Now, if you see with the full name, you need to first go ahead into PO box, check for this PO, go back to this particular URL, search. Once you have it, you need to see the agent territory, and agent is eBert. Okay, now you need to search in the Excel, where do we have eBert, or full name is this one. So where is this full name?
I think you have
eBert.
to check by state name, I think.
Okay,
CA.
state name is CA. Okay, if it is CA, let's go ahead and check with CA. Search text filters equals CA. Okay, so this is Matthew Ironton. So you need to copy this from here, or see, when I'm saying copy, this is the manual process that I'm explaining. And agent name is Matthew, and then ship date. So ship date will be from here. So ship date is this one. You need to copy this and paste it over here. And you need to go back, check with the order total, copy it and paste it over here. And you need to do it for all the items that are available in this sheet and click on submit. Once you click on submit, you will have the time and accuracy. So the use case is simple. Deciding factor will be who will have the code executed in the least amount of time with the highest accuracy. Other than that, nothing. Are we good with the use case?
Yeah.
Yes, got it.
Okay, and then you need to send a screenshot to my email ID using SMTP of Gmail.
Okay.
Done? Any questions?
No questions, Mishra.
Okay.
No,
All the
currently.
best. All the best, everyone. So I hope even if you see, the first 3 weeks is where I trained you handheld, but this is like a competition. You can take it as a competition and you can work it out. Okay.
Okay, Mishra. Yeah.
Vajan, just a second. You told Runbook. What is it?
So Runbook is okay. If you give the execution, see, everything we are doing it on our own. But if Vali want to run it from her machine, what she need to do? Like, did she need to configure anything in her local machine, or is she need to create any, or did she need to create any, or assign any URL or a file path to bot for the bot to execute? Everything will comes into Runbook. Just go ahead and search online once. You'll get the templates as well.
Okay, sure.
Okay. So I want all the things initially SDD, and then the code and PDD as well. and a final email screenshot with all the details.